What's up, everyone? Well, today I'm in the process of upgrading my alternator to a 3G on my Foxbody here, which I got my 3G in there already, just haven't got it wired up. Now this alternator here is the SVE alternator that you can get at LMR. It's a 130, and I didn't have to get me another belt with it or nothing. My old belt was able to work with this, and I'll show you what comes with the kit, because this is the SVE kit, 3G alternator kit that I got. It comes with this 4-gauge wire here, there with the fuse box onto it, and the fuse in there, and some screws to bolt this onto the got trash in here in my package. And come with this wire here, this connector, and 2 butt connectors, and 2 of these, and that plug there. Basically what it comes with this SVE kit. That move stuff out of the way, got too much junk everywhere. Alright, I'm going to show you what I had to do to my alternator here. Up here, I had to cut that a little bit at the top there to get my alternator here to line up there, so I can put that bolt in. Yeah, this bolt also came with the kit. So now I just basically gotta cut these off here, throw this away, keep these 2 wires here, right there, these 2 bigger wires right there, that I'm gonna be putting, let me get this, I'm gonna be putting these on there, these onto these 2 right here, and gonna be hooking it onto right there, which is my 4-gauge wire is gonna be hooked onto there too. And basically this gonna wire up on my new one here, which I think will be green with green, yellow with yellow, and see, green right there, yellow, white, which would basically be color match, will go together. And this will be wired up into the white wire. So I'll kind of get it all wired up and kind of give y'all a look at it, what I did. So I'll go ahead and get that done. I'll be back to show y'all what I had to do and everything. Alright guys, finished wiring it up, my 3-gauge and everything. Let me move this stuff out of the way. And got my green wire wired up to the green, the yellow wired up to the yellow, and the white wire wired up to this plug here. I got a little long, I need to trim it up. That's why I got it zip tied here, because it's a little long. I might fix it up later or something. And got my 2 black wires right here. Those are the wires that were connected to the other plug that I didn't need no more. And got my 4-gauge connector right there. And got the 4-gauge over there wired up over here to my solenoid. And got my fuse box right there. So yeah, that's basically it on putting on this 3-gauge alternator. Pretty easy, not too hard. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later.